And as Mrinalini just flagged off, it is the issue of the Vodafone tax that has been bothering him, and as many speculate, the reason for a set of differences to emerge between Pranab Mukherjee and the current Finance Minister and PM, Dr. Manmohan Singh. Now, what's flashing on your screen is going to give you a big picture. The Prime Minister has very clearly said that some issues on the tax front ought to be fixed. He does point out that the government and he himself has been concerned with the way the economy is going, and the exchange rate as well has kept him extremely bothered. But the fact that he's saying there are problems on the tax front that need to be fixed is one that many people would like to read in between the lines of, including India Inc. Now, what does India Inc. really want? What are their needs? They say, no long-run talk. Give us a short-term quick fix. Abhinav Das joins us. Abhinav, you spend the whole day talking to some of the big guys in town. What are they saying?
Well, Shelley, there is hope, there is optimism. They feel that Manmohan Singh, as the finance minister, will undo a lot of damages that has been done in recent times. And more importantly, the fact that he'll kickstart reforms which have been stalled over the last few months. In fact, what they're saying is the top priority for Manmohan Singh as the finance minister also should be to give top priority to investors, India Inc. as well as foreign investors, and to facilitate dollar inflows. For that, they expect some immediate reforms in terms of FDI in multi-brand retail, in aviation, some small steps to be taken immediately, and more importantly, to undo the damages on the tax front. That's what even the Prime Minister is saying basically on the retrospective changes, on tax laws, on GAR. These are things that will bring in the confidence of the investors as also of India Inc.
All right, Abhinav, expectations getting built in clearly that hopefully the Prime Minister will fix the economy this time around. Thanks so much, Abhi, for filling in with all the details on that story. Let's should focus to markets then, to the last street, with markets shed early gains.